Hello students, welcome back to PRK Learning. So here I come with numericals on Ohm's law and potential difference. So see, in the previous videos we learned what is Ohm's law. So what is Ohm's law? The Ohm's law states that the potential difference between the ends of the conductor, the potential difference across the ends of the conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through that conductor at a constant temperature. So this is the Ohm's law, means potential difference is directly proportional to the current. If we will increase the potential difference, current will also increase. If you will decrease the potential difference, current will also decrease. This we saw in potential difference. So what we saw is V is directly proportional to I. For removing this proportionality sign, we use that V is equals to IR. This one formula we got, where R is what? It is the proportionality constant and which is resistance. Right? R is resistance. We will talk more about the resistance in the next video, because we have one topic, separate topic of resistance in this chapter. So we will discuss in detail about resistance in that topic. Just now, just keep in mind what is resistance. Here it is a proportionality constant, and resistance is a material which opposes the electric current. So SI unit of electric current is ohm. SI unit of resistance. SI unit of resistance is ohm, which is denoted by the symbol this. If you will understand this, then we will go for the numericals. Okay. So this is the recapitulation part of previous video. Now, and if you didn't see that, once go to the PRK Learning Ohm's law, you will get that. Okay. Now we will see the numericals. What is that? First numerical, see. Calculate the potential. PD means what? Potential difference. Calculate the potential difference across the ends of the wire of resistance. Here, what is the symbol you will use? You will read ohm. I just told. It is the SI unit of resistance. So, calculate the potential difference across the ends of the wire of resistance 1 ohm when a current of 3 ampere passes through it. So here what is given? Here potential, what we have to calculate? Potential difference. Potential difference is denoted by symbol V. And what is given there? Resistance is given. What is the resistance value? 1 ohm. And what is the current? How much current is passing through it? I is equals to 3 ampere. Right? We have a formula from Ohm's law. V is equals to IR. Right? V is equals to IR. If V is equals to IR, just multiply these two values. You will get the value of V. So put the values in this formula. You will get V is equals to I how much? 3 into R how much? 1. So you will get 3 into 1, that is 3. And what is the unit for potential difference? It is volt. Right, which is denoted by capital letter V. Okay, you can write 3 volt. So this is your answer. V is equals to 3 volt. How we calculate? Potential difference we have to calculate. Resistance is given 1 ohm and current is given 3 ampere. What we did? We just multiply by using this formula. We just put the values in this formula. V is equals to 3 into 1 and you got V 3 volt. Okay. Now, come for the second. Calculate current flowing through a wire of resistance 15 ohm. Now see, calculate the current. What we have to calculate here? Current. Here we calculated potential difference. Here we are calculating current. So calculate current flowing through a wire of resistance 15 ohm. So what you will get? First write that. This is your answer. R is equals to 15 ohm is given. Connected to a battery of potential difference. Now potential difference is given. How much it is? 3 volt. Potential difference is given. Voltage. It is 3 volt. Potential difference 3 volt is given. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate I. What is I? How much current is flowing through that wire we have to calculate. How we can? See, this is formula. We have V is equals to IR. If you will put that value, V is equals to IR. Right. I is equals to what? We have to calculate I. So I is equals to R, we will take this side. R is, it is in multiplication. When we will transfer R to this side, we will get it division. So we will get I is equals to V by R. I is equals to V by R. So put the values in this formula now. I is equals to V by R. Instead of I, we don't know I. So we will keep I as it is equals to. V is how much? V is how much? It is 3. And R is how much? It is 15. So 3 by 15. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. So you are getting 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means what? It is 0.2 ampere. So here you are getting the value of I is 0.2 ampere. So when 15 ohm resistance is connected and the 3 volt battery is connected, how much current flowing through that circuit? It is 0.2 ampere current. Okay. Now see here, a cell of potential difference 12 volt. A cell of potential difference 12 volt is connected to a bulb. The resistance of the filament of the bulb is 24 ohm. So now here again potential difference is given. Again what is given? Resistance of bulb, that is 24 ohm. Means we have a potential difference, we have a resistance. What we have to calculate? Find the current drawn from the cell. How much current is there? The same numerical, means here we have potential difference V is equals to 12 volt and R is equals to how much we have? 24 ohm. What we have to calculate? Again I we have to calculate. So formula for I is what? I is equals to V by R. So put the values here. What is the value of V is given here? 12. So 12 by, what is the value of R is given here? 24. So 12 by 24. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. So you will get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. And what we calculate here? We calculate current. So what will be the unit here? It is ampere. See, in physics, unit is must. You have to write the units. Okay, 0.5 ampere. So what you got here? I is equals to 0.5 ampere. So this is your answer. So understand, here what you calculate? Potential difference you calculate. Here again you calculate the current. Here again you calculate the current. Means we have this formula V is equals to IR. So among these three values, potential difference, current and resistance, if suppose any two value is given, we can calculate the third one. Right? So again we will see one example, numerical again. See. If suppose fourth numerical we will take. Okay, what we will take? A bulb draws a current of 1.5 ampere. A bulb draws a current of 1.5 ampere at 6 volt battery. Okay, find the resistance of filament of bulb. Find the resistance of filament of bulb. Now here what is given? Here current is given. Here potential difference is given. What we have to calculate here? We have to calculate here resistance. So we have formula V is equals to IR. So V we know, I we know, we have to calculate R. So what will be the value for R, formula for R? R is equals to V by I. Right? R is equals to, R is here. It is in multiplication. It will come here in means it is division. So R is equals to V by I. Put the values. What is the value of V given here? Write first here values. I is given how much? 1.5 ampere. V is given how much? 6 volt. And R we have to calculate. Right? So, what is the value of V is given? 6 upon. What is value of I is given? 1.5. Right? So if you have to calculate, if you will multiply here by 10 both, you will get 60 by 15. So you will get 4 ohm resistance. So here you got the value of R is 4 ohm. Do you understand what we did? The current is given 1.5 ampere, 1.5 ampere current. Voltage is given 6 volt. We have to calculate R. We keep the values R in this formula and we calculated this. We got 4 ohm. Okay. Next example we will see. That is, if suppose a current of 0.2 ohm, sorry, a current of 0.2 ampere flows in a wire, flows in a wire of resistance 15 ohm, of resistance 15 ohm. Find voltage. Find voltage across the wire. Find voltage. Voltage is what? Voltage is nothing but the another name for potential difference. Means here what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the potential difference. What is given? Current is given. What is given? Resistance is given. What we will calculate? Potential difference. Right? So write the values. I is given how much? 0.2 ampere. Right? I is given 0.2 ampere and the resistance is given how much? 15 ohm. Resistance is given 15 ohm. We have to calculate V. V is equals to what? V is equals to IR. V is equals to IR. Put the values. V is equals to IR. V we don't know. We keep as it is. I value is what? 0.2 into R value is what? 15. Right? So 15 to the 30 point here. So voltage is 3 volt. Voltage is 3 volt. So this is your answer. So in this way, if any question comes, you can do it. Very easy. This formula you have to remember. V is equals to IR. V is equals to IR. Among these three values, voltage or potential difference, current and resistance, if any two values are given, you can calculate the third one, right? By using the formula. If V is equals to IR means I you will get V by R and R you will get V by I. Only on these three formulas you solve all the questions. Okay, clear? I think you got this idea clearly and I hope you like it. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We will meet in a next video.